Hello again. Welcome to yet another Field Trip Friday. Today, we're going to learn about different types of rocks and the rock cycle, while doing an experiment you can do at home. Let's get started.
Let's start by talking about what the rock cycle is. The rock cycle shows us how rocks change over time between the three different types of rock, which are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Even though it's called the rock cycle, any type of rock can change into any other type. So, for example, igneous rock can become metamorphic or sedimentary. For our experiment, we're going to start with igneous rock, and our igneous rock in this case is crayon. We'll talk all about igneous rocks and what exactly they are in just a little bit, but no, that's what we have here. I'm going to take my igneous rock crayons and start shaving them with the pencil sharpener to create very small pieces. This is like what happens to a rock when it is exposed to things like water and wind. It begins to break down into sediment. This process is called weathering. I'm going to take a minute and do the same with both of my crayons. Now that our crayons are sediment, we're going to turn them back into a rock, but a new type this time. We'll do this by compacting everything together. Just take your foil and fold it in half. Then press on it really hard so your wax sediment sticks together. It might take some time to get your rock to form, and it's okay if you need an adult to help you. Rock sediment goes through this same process of compaction and forms sedimentary rocks. We have a sedimentary crayon rock, and the next step we're taking is to add heat. This bowl has boiling hot water, so make sure a grown-up helps you with this. Rocks can change because of heat or pressure, which usually takes a really long time. We're going to make things go a little faster and put our rock in a foil boat. The hot water will heat up the foil and start to melt the wax. We don't want our rock to completely melt. Just let it get soft and move it off the water. After it cools, you'll have a metamorphic rock. They are always formed from existing rocks, but it can be either an igneous or a sedimentary rock. We're going to go through one more process and bring our rock back to where it started. Once again, we're going to heat the rock, but this time, let it melt completely. The melted wax is like magma that forms when rocks melt. As they cool, they become igneous rock. Once your rock is melted, let it cool. Once again, you have an igneous rock.
I hope you've had fun learning about rocks with me. We'll see you soon for another Field Trip Friday.